The next scene is all too common. You call a company and they use language which they understand, but you don't. Or you get an email with so much company jargon, you have no idea what they want to tell you. Some organizations have company jargon, terms, and abbreviations that would make the CIA green with envy. You need to remember, you're schooled, you're trained on company terms. The caller is not. Don't use military language on civilians. Use easy words so they understand. Our next Hall of Shame member invented the sport of confusing customers with internal codes, initials, and acronyms. She actually seems to enjoy confusing her callers. Call Joni Jargon with a simple problem, and she'll translate it into company jargon that'll make the caller's eyes glaze over.
Your BI was not generated from this department, Ms. Anderson. If you still don't understand the charges, I'll have to send your file along to DP.
Oh, my BI? Oh, whatever that is.
Yes, your billing invoice.
Okay, what is this Mr. DP going to do with my file now?
No, DP is our data processing department. They'll be able to help you.
Oh, I see.
Now, why don't you tell me your sins and I'll get them sent along to DP?
Excuse me, tell you my sins?
Yes, Ms. Anderson, your shipping invoice number sequence. It's on the front page of your BI.
Don't use military language on civilians. Instead, use familiar common words. Now, it's easy to fall into the trap of using company jargon. After all, you hear it used all around you. It's natural to pick up words and phrases that have special meaning within your company, but those same words and phrases may not communicate well with the public. Here's how to avoid using military language on civilians. First, use words they'll understand. And second, be very conscious of what your callers ask questions about and what seems to confuse them. Repetitive questions are usually a sign that you're not being understood, like this.
Oh, my BI? Whatever that is.
Or?
Okay, what is this Mr. DP going to do with my file now?
Or?
Excuse me, tell you my sins?
Instead, Joni Jargon can clear up or prevent confusion like this.
You see, Miss Anderson, the billing invoice you're holding doesn't come from this department. Let's connect you to data processing where they prepare the bills. They'll be glad to help you. Are you able to hold?
Yes, thank you so much.
Much clearer, wasn't it? Cardinal rule number 5. Don't use military language on civilians.